Steve here with First Defense Industries. Every green thumb knows that unwanted pests can weaken or even kill your plants. For greenhouse operators, whether you're a large operation or a do-it-yourselfer, the impact of pests can be devastating. Where there are plants, there's potential for predatory insects and bugs. Mites, beetles, mealybugs, or any other crawling pests. That's where First Defense high-quality, eco-friendly products can help. Place them under insect pathways, under tables, pots, bags of soil. The possibilities are endless. And best of all, unlike aerosols, First Defense are 100% organic and eco-friendly. Our new 19-inch coaster is built strong and rated up to 1,000 pounds. They can handle almost anything you place on them. First Defense allows you to have the optimum growing season, which you've worked so hard for. And remember, your best offense is First Defense.